So pump overload trip, this one correct. Okay, so guys, I am taking any manual valve, a pump discharge close, so potential same scenario. This is manual valve, so that's okay. Going for the next PNID. We are coming here, and then you have a flow element. This is the flow element to measure it. Can this get blocked? Answer is no.
No.
This flow transmitter, no blockage. So here the no flow.
It can be.
For maintenance, you can remove. Which type of electromagnetic?
Type of flow meter.
It is electromagnetic, no?
Yeah,
Yeah, it can. Yeah, you need bypass. Why you need bypass?
No.
This you can close.
Not about the space. If it is under maintenance, what you do?
You will simply stop it, but it will affect.
The new system now.
Yeah, the profiter in general is light oil. Light oil, no anything.
You put the pump there.
That is not intrusive. That is outside. This manual valve, this flow transmitter is not inside intrusive. It is overlay, like clamp on.
Yeah.
Am I right?
About
Yes,
right,
yes, yes.
right. And if you add bypass on the flow meter, will affect on measurement for flow meter.
Yeah. We don't have space.
So we are talking about if it is go for the maintenance offline, what you do?
Guys, let me explain you.
Oh.
What he is saying that this flow meter, if there is some problem, how do you maintenance? So for maintenance, you want to close this line, or this is
No, it depends on the maintenance. And if in electrical, he can only remove the device.
I want to go for mechanical.
Replace it mechanical.
See, it is. I will tell you. Okay, this is like the pipes. In case the pipe will block, what you will do?
That is the anything plant can be blast, no issue. But this is for this purpose I'm telling.
Yeah. See now. Yeah, that one. What
That's
kind?
why you need a bypass.
Okay, what kind of defects you will have?
Bypass.
No. Let me just ask you. What's the issue? The failure will be in the
No.
flow meter.
Yeah.
It will be mainly in the external electrical parts. It can be repaired. Something in the flow meter itself.
Possibly block here.
But if it's not the
Why?
process.
Because this
Sorry?
flow meter, lunch,
No, the flow meter is still there. The measurement.
There is a flow meter.
You will have issues with the measurement, but not with the flow. Flow still you have continuous flow, but yes, you have issue with the measurement with the flow.
okay. Let me ask you another question. If you want to do the repairing,
no anything can install the point.
Yeah, because
how many hours you need?
even regardless, it depends on the failure type. You need 1 day or you need 2 hours. It is mainly electrical parts outside. So if you want to replace that one, then you need maybe 30 minutes or
Yes,
1 hour,
if you
maybe
replace-
10 minutes.
No matter.
It replace.
Okay, I got it.